It's me, Mario!
On antibiotics, and meantime I'm battling cancer, and I have macular degeneration, and I have arthritis in my spine. I'm so depressed, I haven't prayed in 2 weeks or gone to
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Central District of Columbia, West Central Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, East Central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, the City of Falls Church in Northern Virginia until 8 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Bethesda, Annandale, Vienna, Falls Church, Huntington, Coral Hills, Mantua, Plymouth Hills, National Harbor, Rockland, Crystal City, Reagan National Airport, National Park, Oakland, Lincolnia, Tysons Corner, Camp Springs, Oxon Hill. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Military Road at 36th Road at Gulf Branch, 18th Street at Upland Street, 17th Street North at North Buchanan, St. Southorley Street near Long Branch, West Street near Braddock Road, Holmes Run below Lake Barcroft. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately. South Central Arlington County in Northern Virginia, East Central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 4:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Franconia or over Springfield, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated location. Impact: photos send a direct path of the tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Huntington around 4:30 p.m. Alexandria around 4:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hayfield and Jefferson Manor. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia.
I think go ahead and do it.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southeastern Calvert County in southern Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Lexington Park, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lexington Park, Chesapeake Ranch Estates, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Inigo's Creek, Coupled Creek, St. Mary's City, Town Creek, St. Mary's River, California, Lusby, Pawtuxet River Naval Air Station, Drum Point, Valley Lee, Scotland, Great Mills, Drayton, St. Inigo's, Park Hall, and Almiron. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Sterling, Virginia.
Forward. He took his place. He went up to the commandant. And the commandant said, "What are you doing?" And he had this little seal on his shirt with an X in it so they could identify what it was. What? That's his Polish.
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northern districts of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County, and central Maryland, central Prince George's County, and central Maryland, until 8 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bethesda, College Park, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Forest Hill, Largo, Coral Hills, Bladensburg, RFK Stadium, University of Maryland, FedEx Field, Gallaudet University, Fort Putnam, Howard University, Landover, Camp Springs, Hyattsville, Tacoma Park, East Riverdale, Adelphi. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Rhode Island Avenue northeast between 2nd and Capitol, Beach Drive from Broad Branch Road to Piney Branch Parkway. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately.
Were activated. The question now is why.
At 7 p.m. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., Doppler radar and train spotters indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lexington Park, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Mary's River, St. Mary's City, White Point Beach, California, Drayton, Valley Lee, Great Mills, Callaway, Park Hall, St. Inigos, Damaron, Redgate. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Adkins Road along the St. Mary's River, Point Lookout Road near St. Mary's River, Boot Farm Lane, Flatiron Road along the St. Mary's River, Goddard Road along the St. Mary's River, Piney Point Road near Johns Creek, Montgomery Lane, Western Branch Road, Indian Bush Road near Onion Fields Lane. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: St. Mary's, Maryland. 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m. Strong thunderstorm was located over northern Neck Reef, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Smith Point, Crisfield, Watts Island, Lower Bernard Island, Tangier Island, and northern Neck Reef. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Marine forecast.
Oh no.
National Weather Service and Weather Bureau has issued a tornado warning for notifying the southeast and southeastern Virginia at 6:50 p.m. At 5
Marks are
miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
guard.
At 5:40. Producing a tornado was located 8 miles. Southeastern Virginia. Protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield VA. In southeastern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located 8 miles west of Tangier or 8 miles east of Fairport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicating rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tangier. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at has issued a tornado warning for northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Tangier, or 8 miles east of Fairport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tangier. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
As a cold front arrives, that'll touch our most strong thunderstorms particularly late, and we'll kind of flip it. We'll show you a little more on this here today at 6 o'clock. The central and southern Delmarva. Severe wind tomorrow as opposed to that tornado that's going through the north today. Maybe by Wednesday and Thursday, as humidity drops a little bit, just enough to get us back into the 60s here Wednesday night.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Tangier, or 8 miles east of Fairport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tangier. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorm was in Wakefield has issued a severe. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in Carolina. This remained over mainly rural areas of southeastern Somerset and northern Accomack County. Howard, Shelltown, Sanford, Byertown, Guilford, Bloxham, Saxes, and Milsonia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornado from severe thunderstorm. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small special room in a sturdy structure. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. On the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Tangier, or 18 miles east of Fairport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Somerset and northern Accomack counties, including the following locations: Harwood, Shelltown, Sanford, Byertown, Guilford, Bloxham, Saxes, and Milsonia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located over Tangier, or 18 miles east of Fairport, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Somerset and northern Accomack counties, including the following locations: Harwood, Shelltown, Sanford, Byertown, Guilford, Bloxham, Saxes, and Milsonia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
The soundproof.
Issued at 7:09 p.m. Flood warning in effect until 10 p.m. this evening. Warning. 1. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Narrow, including the following counties: St. Mary's. West until 10 p.m. Impact: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 7:08 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lexington Park, Piney Point, Tall Timbers, St. Mary's River, St. Mary's City, White Point Beach, California, Drayton, Valley Lee, Great Mills, Callaway, Park Hall, St. Dominguez, Damaron, Redgate. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/. Floods for flood safety and preparedness information. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Repeating, an annual flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: St. Mary's, Maryland. Issued at 7:09 p.m.